Okay, so now this is the other side, looking at the tree that used to be in the sky, now on the ground. I can walk around, see all this is water. It's all swamp. Every bit of it. And I don't want to walk in it. I don't know if I can get around. There's just no way around. It's just it's just a clusterfuck of crap. So I don't know. There's a squash. See the one squash leaf? That's about all that's left of the squash. So the whole yard. Over to there's the hammock. It just barely out of the water. See, comes right up to here. See, all the way down. There's the burn pile. Guess this would be a good time to start it, huh? Anyway, now you can see over there, that used to be where our squash was. All along there, all through there, up the fence. Looked beautiful. Oh well. There's the top of the tree. You can see the broken, where it broke there. Feel sorry, his fence broke. Bless his heart. But, so I'm going to go cut some branches off now and feed the goats on the other side of the fence, which I can show you what they like. They're kind of liking it over there, I think. So, see, here's a broken tree. Walking up to the fence. And this is now their yard. See? They can get up. They can get way up here. Now. Anyway. Okay. Hey, Mama. Bye.